After discovering this fruit dessert, I never stopped eating it. For our recipe, we will need peaches, strawberries, and grapes. I will put all these already cut fruits into a bowl and mix well. Take the opportunity to tell me where you are watching us from, so I can thank you for following our recipes.
Folks, this dessert is very easy to make and turns out very delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Don't forget to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. In a pan over medium heat, I will add 200 grams of cream, 400 grams of condensed milk, o queijo de 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and I will mix all these ingredients until our cream starts to boil. And if you've watched this video up to here, it means you're enjoying our recipe. So give it a like and write, "I love fruits." I will pour all our cream into the dish with the fruits. To continue, we will need 200 grams of chocolate bar. I will take this chocolate to the microwave until it is completely melted. After that, I will add 200 grams of heavy cream and mix well to form a ganache. And finally, I will pour all this ganache over our dessert. I will take it to the refrigerator for 2 hours. And our recipe is ready. Now just enjoy it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching until now. See you in the next video. Bye.